Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get the new Valentine's Day post packs, and I will also give you all the preview of it. So go to this section here and then go to the reels and then select purchase. These are the poses that come with it. This one's my favorite. There's rings, sweet, sour, snuggle, flowers, sweetheart, endear, embrace, desperado, cupid, cherish, bloom, and admire. And that is pretty much it. I hope that this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.